Hey everyone, I'm Vedant and Zack Snyder's Justice League has just been released on HBO Max and man, this movie was totally different from what we saw in the previous version of Justice League. We finally won the campaign of release the Snyder Cut with this 4-hour long epic adventure. This video is gonna be a spoiler-free review of Zack Snyder's Justice League, which means if you haven't seen the movie yet, you can still watch the video. So without any further CGI, let's get started. So the time when Zack Snyder announced that this movie is gonna be a 4-hour long movie, I was wondering, oh come on man, who's gonna watch a 4-hour long movie? We already know the basic plot, so why are they releasing so lengthy movie? But when I saw the movie, I must say that sitting on a chair for 4 hours was worth it. There was not even a single moment when I felt bored while watching this movie. Now as I said before that this movie is totally different from previous version of Justice League. The direction is so awesome that you will never get bored. Zack Snyder put everything that a DC fan could expect. The tone of the movie was dark and also we get to see many shots that were not in the previous version. The background music used in the movie is A+. The background songs gives the proper emotion to the scene while helping us to go with the flow of the movie. This literally gives us goosebumps while watching the movie. But what is the main thing that makes this different from the previous version of Justice League? And the answer is character development. The movie might not explore the origin of Aquaman and Flash as they are gonna have a solo movie in future, but the character development of Cyborg was totally awesome in this movie. We get to explore the backstory of Cyborg as this is something that we actually wanna see. Now as Zack Snyder said before that Cyborg is gonna be a heart of the movie, and this was very true. We can say that the movie wouldn't have been possible without Cyborg. Steppenwolf and Darkseid also got the proper character build-up. Every character was very important in the movie. Now as we all know that in previous version of movie, Steppenwolf was no match for Superman in the final battle. But in this version, every character has equal importance in final battle. They used Aquaman and Flash for proper humor. And of course, unlike previous version, Batman is far away from unnecessary jokes.
Oh, something is definitely bleeding.
The only drawback in this movie is the CGI. Now I'm not talking about the mustache, no, Superman's lips were perfect this time. But there were some points where we can feel the lack of CGI. But come on, Zack Snyder really got a very low budget to complete this movie. So we can say that CGI was all okay. And of course as we all expect that the movie ends with a cliffhanger. It was an indication for the sequel of Justice League which I doubt ever gonna happen. So to conclude everything, we can say that this movie is a 4-hour long epic adventure which is totally worth watching. So this was my spoiler free review of Zack Snyder's Justice League and I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please grab the like button, and also if you want to see more such content in future then please subscribe to this channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye.